What's up, y'all? Y'all know who it is, man. You know what it is. Your boy JP comes out with another how-to. Today we have a 2007 Honda Civic, and I'm gonna show you how to take these door panels off and replace your front speakers. If this is your first time tuning into the channel, please consider subscribing, because these are the type of things that we do here: car audio tutorials, radio removals, Q&As, all type of installs, anything car audio related. That's what this channel is about. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump on into it. So first thing you want to do is get something of a flat profile and move this little window or door, whatever you want to call it. Push in on that tab, bring it out. Now inside here we're going to have one Phillips head screw and a push pin. So with the push pin, let's see, how can I do this? You want to push this part in. Now, even though I have that pushed in, when I take that door panel off, that's going to be able to just pop right on off. So I just want to push it in so when we take it off, we don't break it. Next, we want to go ahead and get that Phillips out. Next thing we want to do is take this off. So there will be a clip right here, and there's going to be a little hook on this side. So you want to come from the back and try to pop it off first. All right. Now that we have that popped, we want to just slide it to the front. That way you don't break this part. And then we just want to disconnect these harnesses. Now that that's disconnected, we want to go ahead and take out this Phillip. And we are going to, this car's pretty old. I'm pretty sure I can just pull this and get all the clips out. So let's try that. Oh shit. So next we just want to kind of go over here, like to kind of feel for the panel, see where, if there's any way I can put my finger up under something. Yeah, like that. Start popping these clips. Now that we have all those clips popped, just want to lift up on the door. See, I got my knee right here helping me lift up on this door. Got to lift it up, and that's that speaker right there. Now with this, I know how to take this one off. I don't know how to take that one off, but what I'm going to do is just turn the door panel like that and kind of let it sit. That way these things are still in their natural state, going straight. It's just going straight down instead of straight to the right. Now what we're going to do is take I want to say it's like an 8mm bolt or a Phillip. So we just take this out as well. Get something flat to stick behind here. All right, so they do have some little clips in the bottom that kind of hook in, so we want to pull it out from the top, just kind of slide it up. Now that we have that, we want to unclip that harness. I'm gonna need 2 hands for this one. So now that we have that factory speaker taken out, we're going to put in our aftermarket speaker in our bracket, and guess what? With our speaker harness. I talk about these things all the time because they literally cut all my install time in half. Negative on the negative side, positive on the positive side, already has the terminals on them already to go to your aftermarket speaker, and this literally makes this plug and play. You don't have to worry about what's positive, what's negative, none of that type of stuff. Clip it, we're done. Do it with one hand. Slide these tabs back in the tab hole. All right. Take that screw that came with it. And that is it, man. I hope you guys found some type of value in this video. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, share, comment if you want to. Product links in the description, and JPtheinstallguy.com will be coming soon, where I'll be able to give you guys even more value. Until then, this is your boy JP signing out, man. Y'all be blessed.